So this is the Zone website, and this is going to show you how you can kind of make changes to it. So most of the time, the places that you're going to want to play around are on the Districts tab or maybe on the Team tab. We'll go to the Districts so that you can see what's going on. Within the Districts tab, this is where all the districts are, and each of you guys is going to have a page. So small format has its own page for any issue involving small format. Large format has the same thing. And then each district will have their own tab in here. So if I click into the Tony Abdo page, I'll see that there's a page set up right here for him for District 517. So now if I wanted to edit this page, it's pretty easy. I just would click on Edit Page, and all of a sudden what you'll see is the editor come up right here. And then you'll see some kind of boxes go around here. So if I wanted to put anything in here on this tab, I could say like, hi, my district, this is Tony. I could type that stuff in there. If I wanted to insert some things, I could insert a picture by hitting image, a link to another website by hitting link, a table of contents. I could put in a calendar, a document, a map, a Picasso photo, a presentation, a spreadsheet, you name it. I can put anything on here right here. So this is your page to do it. So effectively, that's kind of what we've done with anything. Once I get done with setting up my web page, and I can, just like in anything else, I can put in bullets if I wanted to. I can add links. I can change my text color to something else. I could, change it to maybe red if I wanted, so you can't see it. I'm going to change it to red right here. That's all the things that you can do with this stuff. It's just like a normal piece of text, except it stays up there in this format, in HTML format. So if I had a picture that I wanted to upload, this is where I would upload it, and I could get, what my stuff is doing. Once I get done, I would hit save. Now my stuff is done. Oh, I don't really like what that looks like. I'm going to go in and edit the page. It's going to load the editor, and then all I'm going to do is go in and delete it, and from there it'll be gone. So now I can save it back over. District 517 has now been saved. So some of the things that you can kind of look at when you're uploading stuff. If I go back to my Districts tab, where is it? Here we go, Districts. All I've done is started to upload links for videos for things. So if I want to upload a link of a video, I'll show you guys how to do that right now. Let's see how I'm doing. I've got a video, Perfect Service, that I've downloaded from Cellmax. I've uploaded it on my YouTube site. So what I want to do is I want to copy the link that this is on. If I right-click on my mouse, you'll say Copy Link Address. So I'm going to do that. This is my Perfect Service, how to do that. I'm going to go over here to my Districts tab, and here's my Cellmax videos. So what I'm going to want to do is I'm going to want to edit this page. The editor comes up. It tells me that it's loading the editor. I will then scroll down, and here I'll find my Service and Productivity tab. So what I want to do right here is insert a link. So I'm going to go to Insert, Link, and then it's going to ask me, is it an existing page, one that I've already loaded into my website, or is it a web address? Since it's YouTube, it's going to be another web address. So this is what I'm going to want to click on. And it's going to say, hey, what is the link to this URL, this website? And it gives me an example. I'm going to go into here, and I'm going to paste what I've copied from YouTube. So that's Control-V, and there it is. And then what I want to do is I want to make sure that this link that I insert into my web page is going to open in a new window. So I'm going to click this box, and I'm going to say, okay. Now, as you'll notice, Service and Productivity tab over here has a link. I can actually do this with, and I'm going to save it. So now it's been saved. I could do about 5 of these things at once if I wanted to, but I want to take you through the whole process. So here we go. I'm going to go in, and I'm going to do this thing again with my second YouTube video that I've uploaded. It's going to take about 2 more minutes, and that's going to be my product distribution. When that gets done, I'll go through the same exact procedure, which is this. I'm going to edit the page. In fact, I'll just do it with, you can rewind the video right now if you want to see how to do that again. I won't take you through doing it. But now, when I go in, I'll show you what the kind of output of this is. I will go over and look and say, hey, this is my product Service and Productivity tab. I click on it, and I get a YouTube video of exactly how to do any given lesson on using Service and Productivity. And that's me talking over myself.